Well, in today's video, we're gonna be fishing, and so I had to go get a new fishing rod from what you guys have, from what y'all have seen from last time. Now I got a Shakespeare something. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, guys. It's hard to upload when you got a lot of things to do. Sorry guys, I'm trying to tighten you guys up so you don't keep falling down off my chest here. That's for bait lines, which I've got back there, but they're not worth my time right now. Got our bass box here. I think we're gonna start out with this no weight wacky rig. It's been a good amount of time since I've actually been over fishing. I did buy this fishing pole, but I have not been fishing. I took it fishing once since I bought it. I do have another fishing pole that, like, I bought it 2 years ago, but I just haven't went and got it. I left it in my uncle's truck about a year ago. I went to Laurel Lake in Kentucky. If you guys know where that's at. Went fishing there, didn't catch a thing before I started. Well, it wasn't before I started this channel. It's because I was uploading like 2 years ago, but all the videos got demonetized and taken down, so. And they weren't even bad. There's like, one was like how to make a frog gig, and I got hit with child endangerment because, you know what? Child endangerment somehow. And somebody's riding down the road like they own the place, which is great. I'm so happy for them. They're probably not even wearing a helmet. Who even is it? I don't know you, bro, but okay, he's wearing a helmet, guys. That's all that matters. And you might say I didn't wear a helmet in the four-wheel riding video. You're right, I did not. Do I have a helmet? Yeah. Was I even going that fast? No. So, that's why I didn't wear one. So, we got the wacky rig all rigged up. Yeah. Get this. I tried to make you guys a coyote hunting video, but the camera, the shot cam, is literally dead. And I have no clue where the charger is at. Which I'll find it, because I got a lot of long form content that needs to be posted. Oh, this is the reverb. And I've got like bass and everything jumping around right now, so. Like they're literally right in front of me, dog. There's also snapping turtles in here, so don't be alarmed if I just end up with a snapping turtle. There's also frogs everywhere because probably should have put a weight on this. I say that and it got off. Yay, love that for me. So, we'll recast that. Come bite it. Now you want it. Oh. I'm gonna fix the hook here. Definitely should put some weight on there. But if you can't tell, the bass are pretty active right now. Like literally right there. Okay, I've got an active one literally right in front of me, so I don't know why I cast it over there, but cast a little bit in front of him. I definitely should have put a weight on this, which I'm about to in like 5 seconds. Let's go over here. Oh yeah, we got one. A surfacing. Definitely you can switch to top water. Definitely about to switch to top water, you guys. Because this just ain't. What in the world? And then I'm stuck in a tree. Okay, definitely gonna cut that off and go get me something new. Hey guys, sorry. I had to message somebody about what y'all heard. Ow. Couldn't get deep with it. Okay, this is. Oh. Okay. Set this up here. Can't tell I've got a lots of baits here. So I'm gonna take this one, little Ozark Trail Taco, or whatever in the world it is, spinner bait, whatever. And if someone decides to shoot on my property, that's great. I love that for me. At this point, I honestly don't even care because Ain't much I can do. I mean, there's a lot I can do. I can call the game warden or the cops, but it's a hassle. And I live out of the city limits, so not much they can do about it either. They can file a trespass charge. But on the other hand, guys, the reason I have not been posting a lot is I want to make more long form content than short form. I want to keep, like, the short form videos are great and all, but if I want to put like a lot of energy into something, like short form content, I want to make sure it's fun and it's exciting, and it's like fishing's like fun, but it's not very exciting unless you catch like a PB, which you're not catching a deer. Which I'm gonna start a very long series. Well, not very long, probably 3-parter. Series on see if there's catfish in this pond, because I'm pretty sure there is. Not for certain, but pretty sure. And I'm bound and determined to catch it. And if there's not, I'm bound and determined to put some in here. Because if you guys didn't know, or if you can't even see, like, I mean, you should be able to. Okay. This is stupid. Is it the weeds or is it? I think it's on the ground. But if you guys didn't know, there's a lot of weeds on this pond, and catfish like to clean, like to eat, to clean things. Well, what more of a perfect opportunity is it than to clean, to get catfish and to clean things? Well, that is my goal this summer, is to clean the pond out. Well, is that it? I'm really trying to go in the water for this thing. So I'm gonna go get my fishing pole and see if I can't find it that way. Might make it easier. But I want you guys to like enjoy my content rather than just me post every single day, which I'm gonna try. I'm getting back into the groove of things. Kind of hard with this phone. Yes, the phone. Kind of hard with this phone to record full like face shots, and this is gonna be like a POV phone. I have another iPhone. It's got front and back cameras on it. This one just, so as everyone knows, the whole United States literally suffered from a tragic ice storm. Shout out to all the linemen and tree workers that went out in the ice storm. But oh, am I on a fish or am I? I'm like a freaking turtle or something. And it was right there. It'd be funny if it was wrapped around a snake or something. You guys ever really seen the fish come up and bite your thing? I have. Well, that's great and all, fishing pole, but I'm getting dog tired of having to chase this thing around the whole pond. Like, I just want to fish, buddy, and like it's making it come incredibly difficult to do so. And like I was saying about, except for the ice storm, so that put a damper in things. Then I posted a lot after the ice storm happened. You guys seen its and bits of what was going to be a like hunting tree house, but I turned it into a tree stand, actually. And right now, me and Colton Hughes, I'm gonna tag his channel down below. He's on vacation right now. Thanks, guys. Really. Unless it's like fireworks, I don't know. Even though it's literally still June, bro. It's close, guys. It's close. 4th of July's close, but it ain't that close. And then I got a concert to go to for July 7th, so I might literally just film the concert. I don't know. Probably not. And if I do film the concert, I ain't gonna film every part of it. Because, you know, there's people there that might not want to be filmed. And so I'm gonna turn this into, this channel is still gonna be the outdoor channel. Paranormal channel. Here's the thing. Everybody thought I was gonna quit the paranormal channel. Because I should quit the paranormal channel because, you know, no cameraman wants to be out there. Well, here's the thing. I've always loved paranormal stuff. So I'm going to keep on with the paranormal channel. Which reminds me, I'm actually doing, I won't tell you guys when, because I don't want, like, people showing up and ruining it. But I'm going to be doing a ghost investigation at a battlefield that was used in the Civil War. Now, you can figure it out when we go. If you go watch the channel, which is also going to be tagged below this video, you figure out which one I'm talking about. Then and if you are there when this is taking place, I'll take a picture with you. You'll be in the video. Oh man. Man, oh man, oh man. Okay, we're gonna have to jerk a little harder this time. Or let him swallow it faster. One of the two. Come on. Y'all saw that. Y'all saw that too. We almost got one earlier. I hope they don't swallow the treble hooks that are on this. Because that's not very enjoyable for anybody. Yeah. But guys, check out Corey Derringer Paranormal in the next probably month to see the content. It'll be filmed in like, I'll tell you guys when it's going to be filmed, and probably the weekend after July, the 4th of July. If I'm being honest, that's probably when it'll be filmed. Be uploaded. Because I want to do travel investigations. And I go on a lot of trips. Some years. Sometimes I don't. And if I do, and I start getting more and more subscribers, which I hope to future, but you can't always, just sit there and beg and plead for something that not everybody can do. Which everybody can make a channel and start uploading, but not everybody's got the time. I mean, if you really want to do it, then you gotta upload for at least a month straight. And that's the bare minimum of time. A month straight, which I'm gonna start posting a lot more. Oh, you son of a... He about had it. End up breaking this pole off or something. End up having the tip come off on me or something. So and before you guys ask, yes, I mean the cabin build's not getting filmed just because I don't want to have to sit there and move cameras around. It makes the process a whole lot faster and easier than having to move. Like the shot cam for deer, turkey, coyote, whatever I'm hunting at the time is going to be long form camera until I get another camera. I'm thinking about around December, Christmas time, thinking about getting a better, more quality camera so that, I can make better videos. Because I'm going to be honest, my camera quality on my camera, the shot cam, is not the best. In the daylight, not inside of places, it's better. Like outside, it's way better. Inside, unless you have like perfect lighting, no. And that's just me being honest. That's not me just dogging on myself. Literally, if you was doing the editing, you would cry. Which, there was a whole episode filmed for the Paranormal channel that was filmed 3 years ago. No, 2 years ago, 2024. And, when it was filmed, as a little younger, so literally none of it made sense. I went back, got on my camera, like I took the SD card out of my camera, like that had the file for it, and Like, it just wasn't good all around. The quality was terrible. Like, the quality wasn't terrible, but video quality and the cameraman was terrible. So, I just, like, if he's here at my house, then yeah, he can film for me. But if he ain't here, like, I'm not going to invite him to come film. Just because I'm not going to take my time out of my day to film crappy quality for something I'm enjoying doing. Like, it doesn't even make sense, guys. If you enjoy doing something, do it to your fullest extent. Like this cabin, I'm doing it to my fullest extent with the time allotted. I'm trying to get it done by July 7th, which is a small due date. Let me tell you, it's a very quick day kind of approaching, and it seems like we're gonna have rain for the next couple of days. And then the sunny days, I can get up and go and work on the cabin. Where the other person who's on vacation, Colton, he's not here to film for our channel, Darren Hughes Outdoors, which will be tagged in this video. Let's move to the other side of the pond. We got a lot of activity over there too. But he's got his own life, I've got mine. I've got to help someone move. And then my uncle, I gotta help my uncle move the weekend of July 4th. He's got a river that runs behind his house. He's got my fishing pole. And for Christmas, this past year, I got a tackle box. I'm gonna leave both at his house. It's a telescopic rod. And there might be catfish in there. I don't know yet. I hope there is. Because I'll set out a couple jug lines behind his house. I don't care. And yeah, there's gonna be some days that I just don't feel like filming. There'll be days I'm filming content for the next few weeks. Okay, the drag is terrible on this thing. Okay, where's that bell piece out there? If you guys ever fished at Cedar Creek and Crab Orchard / Lincoln, have you guys ever caught anything? I literally went once. Like, since I've gotten older, I used to go all the time when I was younger, but since I've got older, I went once I'm thinking about 2 years ago, maybe a year. No, it was 2. I went about 2 years ago. When my cousin really got into fishing, we went. And I was the only one that caught anything that day. So you can tell. And then Karma got me for bragging about it. But I was the only one that caught anything because I fell in the water. And so, if that don't teach you not to brag about something, oh, you gotta be serious. You gotta be joking. Well, guys, this is the end of my fishing video for today. Hold on, I'm gonna get you guys off the chest cam. This is the end of my fishing video for today, guys. I'm tired of my thing breaking. It's broke twice. Can't have that. But I will see you guys. Well, I will be making another video tomorrow. Maybe. Depends on. Good thing I'm done because it's starting to rain. But I will be making a video tomorrow. Maybe. I've got to prepare my uncle's house to be moved into. So that does take some time. But I hope you guys have an amazing day. And stay positive.